So I was explaining regarding margin requirement. So in the case when the commercial banks, when the central bank says that ask the commercial banks to ask for more security, then the margin requirement increase and the people, the borrowers, they get demotivated. So they do not take much loans. And if they want to do the opposite thing, that they want more and more people to take loan, they want more flow of the credit in the economy, so they might reduce this margin requirement. For example, for the loan of 10 lakh rupees, they ask for the security of 12 lakh rupees. That means they have reduced the margin requirement, that is 2 lakh rupees now. So this is how they can control the flow of credit. Now coming to credit rationing, in this, the central bank asks the commercial banks to give loans for certain things and to deny loans for certain things. For example, the central bank can ask the commercial banks that you give more loans for home loans, more loans for building houses, and less loans for automobiles. Or they can ask this commercial banks to give more loans for automobiles and give less loans for building houses. So this is how they can ration their credit, the credit availability they can ration, and they can affect the use of that credit, that where that credit or that loan is being used. Then moral suasion or persuasion, this is just a method of measure to in which with the help of conferences and with the help of meetings, the central bank persuades, asks the various commercial banks to follow its guidelines, उनको समझाने की कोशिश करती है. Okay. Then comes a direct action when any commercial bank do not follows the rules, the regulations, the guidelines as framed by the central bank. Then the central bank can take a direct action against those commercial banks. Any type of action they can take. They can say that we will not give any kind of loans to you, or we will not protect your bank or anything. So if any bank is not following the rules and regulations of the central bank, then the central bank can take direct action against them. Then publicity, generally they publicize their things through the journals, through notices. Okay, they issue certain rules and regulations time to time and ask the commercial banks, various commercial banks to follow their rules and guidelines. So these are your qualitative measures, and with this your chapter ends. You should learn at least any 4, but indirectly it can also be asked. So I would suggest all of you to learn direct action, moral suasion, credit rationing, margin requirement, and also consumer regulation of consumer credit. It is also very important. So they can also ask in indirect way. So it becomes important.